Hey guys, RTT back here from the video. Guys, today we have an unboxing of the Quest 2, which is absolutely awesome. First off, I have pretty much every single VR helmet you can have. I have the the Oculus Go. I also have the Oculus Quest 1, and now I have the Quest 2. I have the Rift S. I have the PS VR. I'm talking about, guys, if there's a VR headset out there, your boy probably has it. There's a pull tab right here. But yeah, if there's a VR headset out there, I probably have it. I love VR headsets. I know we're not at a point where VR headsets is really a big deal. But like to a point where it's like actually like a mainstream thing. But I'm ready for it to be a mainstream thing, in all honesty. Now, currently, the upgrades from this one, from the previous one. First off, it's smaller, it's lighter, it's cheaper. Second off, it also goes ahead and gives you more pixels resolution per eye. This is, I believe this is, and it was something by 1920. I think it's 1880 by 1920. And then the other one, the old one, the Quest 1, was like something like 1440 by 1620. So like 300, maybe up to I think 600 more pixels. So awesome. More content, man. More resolution, bro. And if you guys do not know, so how I have my Quest 1 set up is, and you can have this if you wear glasses. There's a company in Germany, I'll leave a link down below in the description, that you can actually get custom frames. Like I have custom frames for my Quest 1. I'll put the custom frames in my Quest 2 because I don't want to wear glasses when I'm using this Quest. So you can actually get your prescription frames for your Quest device, which is absolutely awesome. And is the reason why I don't have to wear glasses while wearing these VR headsets. So I love it. But now we're going to take a look at the Quest in all its glory. We go ahead and take out the two controllers and then what else is left in the box here. And we're just going to go ahead real fast. I'm going to go ahead and get the other Quest to do a size comparison. So just taking a look at the other Quest. This is the Quest 1. Of course, the color did change for the Quest. It is now, of course, a white color instead of a black color. Same thing as always, though, with the Quest. It's a pretty similar design. It's a lot smaller. Okay, I didn't realize how much smaller this actually is. The controllers are exactly the same. The controllers are exactly the same as the previous ones. There's nothing different about the controllers. See? Exactly the same controllers. But the Quest in general has gotten so much smaller. That's actually pretty amazing how much smaller this has gotten. You know what's funny, and I'm going to go ahead and get the other one, guys. Now I think we can actually compare it relatively to the Oculus Go. I mean, the Go is now pretty similar to this, except this is a lot more powerful than the Go. So it's kind of funny how it's actually somewhat similar now to the Go because of the size, but overall, comparison-wise, like actual, you know, like hardware-wise, it's better than the Go. But it's actually somewhat comparable now to the Go. Now, overall, like I said, guys, I did go ahead and get a cable that's coming in Saturday. Lets me connect this to my PC and lets me be able to use this tethered to the PC, which I can't wait for that. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and take a look at what else we get in the box, though. Again, we did get the spacer for your glasses, if you need a spacer. If you go ahead and use the company I'm talking about, which I'm not sponsored by that company in any way. I literally just found them randomly, and I used their product, and it's amazing. So, I gotta say, they did a good job, but I'm not sponsored. You get, of course, your charging cable and your cable right here. Now, this is not the cable you can plug into your computer. It's not the same cable that lets you do the link connection. You have to get a specialized cable for that, which is $79. But overall, though, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.